Hari Om and good morning. Today we'll be doing forward bend, and this is a very relaxing forward bend. Um, so, yeah, please sit in a comfortable position with your back long and strong, shoulders spread wide. You can keep your hands on your knees or just keep it on top of each other in your lap. Bring some attention to your breath. Feel the sensations of inhaling and exhaling. Bring your attention to the mat here, and whenever you're ready, inhale as you raise your arms all the way over your head and gently bend forward from your lower back, placing your hands on the ground. With every inhale, extend your back, and on every exhale, try to bend deeper. Stay here for a few breaths. Feel that extension in your shoulders as well. You can grab the floor, move your fingers forward to feel that extension in shoulders. Stay here for a few more breaths. Bring your attention to your inhales and your exhale. Long, deep inhale. Hold it for a few seconds. And then long, deep exhale. If you have Ujjayi breath in your practice, you can feel free to bring it and practice your Ujjayi breath here, which is long, deep inhalations through nose and exhalations through nose, bringing an ocean voice. Now, whenever you're ready, inhale as you slowly come back up into a seated position. Now, spread your legs wide and then inhale as you raise your arms up, and then exhale and bend forward. You can keep a slight micro bend in your knees and keep your foot flexed and keep bending forward from your lower back. Stay here for a few breaths. Again, this is a relaxing flow, so don't stress too much about getting precision here. Just feel those relaxation and little stretches in your arms and your legs. Feel free to do what your body feels like you can move towards a right stretch, like with your right hand on your right foot and extending your left side. Same thing you can do on the other side. Hold your left foot with your left arm and then extend on the right side. Whatever feels comfortable. When you start holding these poses long enough, you start feeling those stretches in your hamstrings or your inner thighs. So, yeah, we want to stay here longer so that once we get into the heart flows or the more advanced poses, our body is ready. Whenever you're ready, you can come back into a seated position facing the front of the mat and extend your legs forward. From here, inhale as you bring your right foot on top of your left thigh and gently push the right knee down. This should help open your hips since we're still warming up. And then inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale as you bend forward, trying to grab that big toe or the foot, or you can also hold on to your shins if that's possible. And you can always keep a slight bend in the knees here. We don't want to put too much pressure on those knees, especially in these relaxing poses. A lot of times all these yoga poses is bringing our attention to our breath, so let's keep focusing on that. Inhale as you come back in a seated position and extend your right leg, and now bring your left leg in, placing your left foot on top of your right thigh, gently pushing that left knee down to open that hip. And then inhale as you raise your arms up for that back extension, and then exhale as you bend forward. Every pose that we do, we want to make sure that we do it on both sides. So yeah, keep your focus here, focus on your breath. Don't let any thoughts run your mind wild. Inhale and release the pose. Now let's get into the butterfly pose, where we join the two feet together and then grab our feet from our hands from underneath the foot, and then bring your feet a little closer to your body, and then inhale as you extend your back, and then exhale as you bend forward. Try to push your legs down with your elbows, and with every inhale and exhale, try to go into a deeper stretch. We are not just holding a pose here, we are trying to get into a deeper stretch with every breath. So, if at some point you feel like you are relaxing too much, maybe it's time to take a long, deep inhale and then go deeper on that exhale. Make sure there's no tension in your shoulders. We tend to put a lot of tension on our shoulders when we are doing these poses, but we want to make sure that our shoulders are relaxed. Now inhale as you come back up, back from that pose. And now meet me in a tabletop position. And feel free to do some rotations here. Do a few rotations clockwise, moving your body in a clockwise direction. Feeling if there are any blockages or any body parts that needs extra attention today. You can repeat it anti-clockwise in the other direction. Make a few rotations that way and just observe your body here. Whenever you're ready, from the tabletop position, keeping our legs straight 90 degree to the ground, we are just going to move our hands forward, all the way forward, to create that extension in our spine. You can rest your forearms on the ground, or you can just keep extending through your fingertips. Stay here for a few breaths. Feel your spine getting extended all the way. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly come back again in the tabletop position. And from there, we are going to go into child's pose. So for child's pose, keep your knees widespread, and then your toes or your foot could be a little closer than the gap between your knees. We do a lot of child poses in between poses. It's a very good way to catch a breath and relax your backs to remove any tension. And from here also you can move your hands towards the right side to feel that gentle stretch on the left side of your body, and then move it back to the center and the opposite side towards the left side to feel that extension on the right side of your body, to feel that stretch on the right side. Slowly bring your hands to the center, and now let's lay on our backs, and from here bend your right knee and bring it towards your chest and grab it from your hands. And then you can hold the big toe of the right foot and extend your right foot up, keeping that left foot long and stretched on the ground, and lifting your upper torso for that little forward bend. Try to keep extending your right foot. Now let's repeat it on the other side. Bring your left knee in towards your chest and grab it from your hands. And you're bringing your knees not exactly towards your chest but towards your armpit. And from here, let's grab the big toe and then bend forward and keep stretching that left leg up on every exhale. another breath here, and then gently release the pose. Bring your legs to the ground, your arms on your side, and rest in your final Savasana pose with your palms facing up, ready to receive whatever is in store for you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.